How to fix Instagram cannot schedule posts. So the first thing that might be the issue is because your Instagram account type is not a professional account. So what you can do in order to switch that is get to your Instagram first of all, then tap on your profile icon right here, tap on the menu bar right here. Then from here what you can do is scroll all the way down, and in here you'll get to see the option of for professionals, and under it tap on account type and tools. After doing that, tap on switch to professional account, then tap on next. Then in here you have to select what describes you. For now I'm going to go with digital creator, tap on switch to professional account, and then from here select your professional account type. So for now I'm going to go with creator, then tap on next. So after doing that, if you want to simplify your access to your account, you can tap on continue, or else you can go with not now. And in here you can see we have now successfully set up our professional account. Now then, from here you can now go back and try to schedule your post, and I'm pretty sure that now you will be able to do that. But if you are still not being able to do that, what you can do is check if your account is on private or not. For that, again, get to your settings, tap on the menu bar right here. Then from here, if you scroll down a bit, you can see the option of account privacy. Tap on that one and make sure that private account is turned off, just like that. And after making sure all of this, I'm pretty sure that now you'll be able to schedule your Instagram post. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to like our video.